Hey gang, this is Jay, and I wanted to make you a quick video to show you exactly what is possible for you and your own book or business in order to get some search engine love in many different ways from Google and Yahoo and Bing, etc. And as you can see, I am on page 1 of Google for the search term Small Business Marketing Secrets, which just happens to be an exact match for the title of a book that I wrote. And from the looks of it, this is a competitive keyword. There's over 22 million competing pages vying for this page 1 attention. And I'm number 1 here, by the way. This is my book here, Small Business Marketing Secrets. I have the top result, page 1, result number 1 for this keyword. And if I clicked right through, it will take me right to my Amazon book listing page. Let me head back over to Google here. This is, by the way, is a YouTube video promoting the same book. Why did I make a YouTube video? Well, I was trying to get on page 1 of Google. I was gunning for page 1 of Google, and I got it because they love putting videos just like this one on page 1. Again, another finger pointing at my book. Now, I also have a website. It's actually the case study website. It's right here. And this is the exact same theme, by the way, that you're going to find inside this package here for authors and experts. But in any case, I used to have it on page 1. I think it's slipped to page 2, and here it is right here. Not bad. I'll take page 2 of Google any day. But I'm also showing up on Yahoo for the same search term. I'm actually number 1 in the Yahoo search engine. And here is my website. It's on page 1. It's above the fold. And I believe I'm page 1 for Bing as well, for both my author's blog and my book. Yep, here it is. Here's my book. Here's my author's blog, page 1 of Bing. So what does this mean for me? Well, it means increased traffic to my book, certainly, higher visibility, a higher profile. I'm basically dominating page 1 of all of these search engines with all of these different web properties all pointing to my book. Now you can create the very same results yourself for your own book or business. And in this video series, I show you exactly how. And I take you through the step-by-step process that I used in order to score this page 1 search results for these search engines. Alright, I'll see you in the next video and I'll show you exactly how I did it.